All right. So we have repairs to do. We've ordered a lot of stuff in. We've been delaying it. It is now time to get stuff done. We got to fix this window. We have a water pump to replace that broke maybe 6 or 7 months ago, but we just been hooked up to regular water. So we're going to be putting that. We put this in. We have some lights to replace. Have some solar lights to replace on the outside. So today is going to be a day of activities and repairing. All right, package. So many people have asked what LED lights we use on the outside. So we usually, as you can tell, we have 2 of them right there. I just bought 4 new ones, Lupos Witten, I believe. So what we're gonna do with these, they come with screws and anchors. Pretty easy mount system, but I had to replace one right here because I ripped it off when we were doing some filming for Little Guy. Hit a tree limb, pulled this off, I had to repair it, and so we're gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna put some of these on the tiny shed. I'm thinking putting one up over here so when you pull up it shines the light, and on the other side as well. So we got those, and then we have these puppies. So we have the solar lights, and then now we ordered these in from Little Guy. Mind you, we've been full-timing for 2+ years and the Little Guy. Some of you wonder how we do it, but the light fixture underneath the sink that you'll see, and the shower, and one on the bedroom. It's really the common ones that we pull. The little plastic tabs break over time with my recklessness. And so I think we ordered, I don't know how many they sent us, 3 or 4 of them that we're gonna be replacing. So, ta-da, this is what these look like. So the part I'm talking about is this plastic piece right here on the Little Guy. So that controls the light coming on and off. So this is what we have to take out, connect these wires, or I might just take this screw out and put this in instead of even disconnecting the wires, because I'm pretty sure the light still works. We just need a new tab. So we'll see how that goes. Last but not least, you might wonder what this is, but this is this window. So, hold that thought. Question. As I'm doing this, I am notorious for keeping screws from packages like this that you keep, because I'm like, oh, it's a perfectly good screw. Who else does that? Just curious. Leave it in the comment section below this video. So we ordered this directly from Little Guy, being their ambassadors. They just sent it straight to us instead of doing a dealership. I was gonna fix it myself, so we'll see how this goes. In our playlist, you can go to the Moab video, maintenance issues, and the City of Rocks. You can go to the City of Rocks video, but basically we had like 40-mile-per-hour winds. I opened the door and was catching it. But a lot of people know that these doors, they swing and it can smack right here. So a lot of people put pool noodles or guard, some type of door catcher, but when the wind's blowing like that and you open this door, it's just gonna smack. The new ones, our friends have the 2021, I think, and it's a thicker hinge, but the 2018 that we have, So smack this, and it's been like this. We've had this taped, as you've seen, for probably over a year now. So we have now a new windows. You see it comes all foamed in. Let's see here. Sure this just pops out. Voila. A brand new window. A little dusty. Just a little dusty. So it comes pretty secured. Little guy mailed it out. It's supposed to go right there. So it looks like you take out the screws. We're gonna take out these screws and then these screws, which I'm nervous about taking out. Clean it up a little bit. Get the dust off. Alrighty, so the front of this comes with a clear adhesive that we can just pull off, it looks like. But it's nice and scratch resistance. So, there's your new little guy Max window. Alright, so take out these screws. Okay, so we are doing this ourselves. So I don't know what order you're supposed to, but I just disconnected these arms. And there is a piece right here with these bolts. Let me show you again. Right up there. That I'm thinking I have to unscrew to get the window out. Or it's some type of clip system in here. I don't know necessarily how it digs in too. Show them what happened. All right, so on your little guy Max window, if you are looking to fix this, it's basically, there's a lip here, you see, that just goes into the track system that's already there. So if you lift up high, it kind of then falls out. So that's kind of how you take off the old window.
That's pretty simple.
Now, the new one, this is the new window, and it has the same track system, which I was halfway nervous about it not being there just because it's a new window. I didn't look at it before I took everything apart, but this is amazing. This has been since
it's been like a year.
A year. See, rocks. We just had electrical tape. We started getting water sitting kind of in between this because this is a double pane window. So I'm gonna go for the lip connection first. It feels like it's in there. There it is. So you have to push up on it a little bit, and then it comes down.
Wow.
So that's
simple.
That's a pretty easy fix. So anyone that has cracked windows, the little guy, try to order it direct. Don't pay anyone $400. You just saw this. This was a couple minutes worth of work. Literally, it's 4 screws and unclipping it, and you got a new window in. At the same time, you know, check all your caulking and windows. I have noticed in some spots in the windows over time, this can sag in the middle and you have to push it back up just to make sure it's nice and clean. But we're gonna clean this up here and wipe it down and get this screwed in. So alrighty, so with this, these you need to extend these out, and I believe rotate right there, right? So you extend the back side out. You might have to loosen this up a little bit. This extends. Just kind of bring it to right to the screw hole. And then you put these self-anchoring black screws right back in the same hole you took them out of. And the window should then support itself for now. So what I would do is tighten this after you do it to then get the last 2 screws in. But with that being said, the window is now replaced. Okay, so mistake. These are supposed to be flipped the other way, not down. The window does not close. So I guess we take this and then we flip it like that. And it goes a little higher.
Yes.
All right, so you want this black bracket, this L, basically from this to go down. You don't want this part going up. The screw hole goes down. All right, so you see we did it wrong here. We're just gonna reverse it. There it is. Boom. So, the moment of truth.
It's a little bit.
Let's see this.
Done.
Alright, you want to film opening it up? Are you filming?
Voila!
So that's how you replace a side window on a little guy Max. Not too hard, huh?
Nah, easy peasy.
Alright. So, that's how to do this. We're gonna have more stuff coming to you. There's gonna be a short video on just how to do this window. Like and subscribe if you're liking the content as usual. We're now gonna do a little filming all day. We're gonna do the lights, we're gonna do the water pump, show you all that stuff. But for now, we just wanted to get this out to you. A specialized little video on how to replace a window on a little guy Max. So everyone, safe travels, join the road.
Join the rev.